GLM 5.2 is nearly as good as Opus and almost 10 times cheaper. You've heard that 100 times this week, so I'm not going to waste your time proving it. So here's how to get started and using it in under 5 minutes. The first thing you're going to do is come over to Z.ai. These are the guys that created the model and they're going to be hosting it for us, so we're obviously able to use it within Claude Code. If anyone tells you that you're able to self-host a model, they're technically correct, but it's probably not going to be possible in a lot of cases since it's way too expensive and requires way too much power. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and create yourself an account. So at the top where it says API, you're just going to click that. It's going to open a new page where you're able to subscribe to a couple different plans. So if I click subscribe now, it scrolls down and you can see we can select from a couple different plans. I'm not going to do that in this video. What I'm going to do is create an API key, load it with a couple dollars, and I'm going to use that inside Claude Code. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and click login. It's going to go ahead and show you the sign-in page. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account. And once you've done that, it's going to bring you back to this page. And now you're going to see in the top right, it says API key. We're just going to click that. And then in here, we're going to go ahead and add an API key for ourselves. So we're going to go add API key. We're just going to call it whatever. I'm just going to call it Claude Code since that's what we're putting it inside. And then I'm going to go create. And then over here, you can see that API key is created. And now we've got that there ready to copy. Now, just before I go ahead and put it inside Claude Code, obviously I need to add some credits to my account, which I'm going to do now. So you can do that by going over to the left in billing. And then we're going to go ahead and add a payment method and load some into our account right now. Cool. So once you've got your card details added to the account, you can go ahead and load it with obviously how much you want. I'm just going to go with the minimum, which is $3. So I'll go ahead and click confirm. Then my balance gets updated and we can now go ahead with adding it to Claude Code. Cool. So basically to get started doing it, what we want to do is open up VS Code and go into an empty blank project. You can use an existing one, but I've just got an empty one for now. And basically what we're going to do is change out the engine of Claude Code. So you can imagine Claude Code being like the chassis of a vehicle, and us swapping out Opus for GLM is basically just swapping out the engine inside of it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and create a folder with this button over here. And we're going to call it .claude. So dot, and then the word Claude. And then once we do that, we want to create another file. And this is basically the settings for Claude that it loads up every time we start a new session. So we're going to add a new file and we're going to call it settings.local.json. And what we're going to do is paste in the settings of our GLM credentials right into here. So you can go in the description. I've already done this for you. You're just going to copy that. And then once you've got that, you're just going to paste it straight into here. And then you can see over here, we just need to add in our GLM 5.2 token or our Z.ai token. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So now back on Z.ai, we go back to the API key section, go ahead, copy the API key, and then we go ahead back into VS Code and paste that straight in. So now back in VS Code where it says your key here, just going to select that, get rid of it, paste in the token, then we're going to go ahead and save the file with Control S. And that is pretty much it. That's the whole setup done. Now we can go ahead and test that it's actually working. So I can go ahead and open a terminal right at the top. You go terminal, new terminal. And then if you haven't got Claude installed already, just make sure you do. You can start off a session by typing in Claude, send that off. And then we can see down here, straight in the middle, we've got GLM 5.2, 1 million tokens with extra high effort. So I'm just going to send off a message. Just going to go hello. And then we get a message back saying, hello, what can I help you with today? And there you go. That's it. Set up, ready to go. And now you can get started building with GLM 5.2. So to test out and see how good it is, I'm just going to tell it to build a one-page website for my AI agency. And then we can go ahead and see how it works. So I'm just going to tell it to, can you build me a website for my AI and automation agency? Make one page. I'm going to send it off. I'm going to see what that comes back with. And then a couple of minutes later, I get a website that is very decent looking. Obviously, there's some stuff that needs to be done here, but 10 for the price of Opus, you can't complain. So yeah, that is it for the video. Obviously, you can get started doing what you want with GLM 5.2. Got more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.